Originally opened on the 1st of February 1858, Bloxwich station remained open until the 18th of January 1965, when it closed for passenger service. Goods services were closed the year before on the 10th of August 1964. The present-day station was reopened in 1989 as part of the first stage of the reopening of the Chase Valley line from Walsall to Hensford under British Rail usage. The earlier Bloxwich station actually existed a few hundred yards to the south, just north of a level crossing and adjacent to Bloxwich signal box, which stayed until very recently when the Chase line was electrified. Unfortunately, because the first clip of 350-102 corrupted, your first train viewing is 350-369, working the 1243 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley-Trent Valley to Birmingham International. Next up is 350-129, working the 1309 West Midlands Railway service from Rugeley-Trent Valley to Birmingham New Street. .350-111 now traverses the Chase Valley line, working the 1313 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham New Street to Rugeley-Trent Valley. Now this train arriving in is what is termed as the new kid on the block, as Class 730-002 works a driver training run from Crewe Carriage Sidings LNWR site to Walsall. And here comes our train arriving now, as 350-248 works the 1339 West Midlands Railway service from Birmingham International to Rugeley-Trent Valley. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.